In this lesson, we're going to talk about octave registers, but octave registers on the staff. We've already understood it on the piano with our white keys. That helps us look at it, see the shapes, see the patterns. Now let's look at it on the staff. So our first E below ledger line number 3 on the staff is E3. The next note is F3, then G3, A3, B3, and then remember, we're always changing numbers on the C note. So the next C is going to be C4. Next note is D4, E4, F4, G4, A4, B4, and then we get to a C, which means we're changing numbers. So C5. The notes that come after that, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B5, and finally we have that C on ledger line 2 above the staff, and because we always change numbers on C, we're going to call that C6. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back and listen to the same example we did for pitch class, but this time we're going to label the octave register for each individual member of that pitch class so we can know how low or how high each note of the pitch class is. This is example 48. We're going to give it a listen now. So first up, we have 3 notes from the pitch class of E. We have E3, E4, E5. Now we can hear, sure enough, E3 is lower than E4, E4 is lower than E5. Another way of saying that is E4 is higher than E3, and E5 is higher than E4 and E3. So those are all E notes, but they're going from lower to higher, and we're just giving them numbers to tell which ones are lower and which ones are higher, so we know exactly which note we're talking about. These next 3 notes are all F notes, going from low to high. These next 3 notes are all G notes, going from low to high with their octave register number next to the letter name of the note. And finally, we have A3, A4, and A5, 3 A notes all in a row going from lowest to highest. Those are octave registers. Remember, the number always changes on C notes. But this is a very useful system so we can always know which E we're talking about. So instead of saying, oh, the E that is 3 ledger lines below the staff, we just say E3. Instead of saying, oh, the F on line 5, we just say F5, which lines up very well, don't you think? I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.